In this video, we're going to look at the introduction to factoring the sum or difference of two cubes. In 1, it says multiply. Categorize each as a sum of two cubes, a difference of two cubes, or a difference of two squares. In A, we have a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And when we multiply this out, we get a cubed plus a squared b plus ab squared minus a squared b minus ab squared minus b cubed. And then our a squared b term is going to cancel with our negative a squared b, and our ab squared term is going to cancel with our negative ab squared term, and we're left with a cubed minus b cubed, and this is a difference of two cubes. In B, we have a minus b times a plus b, and this is equal to a squared plus ab minus ab minus b squared, and our ab term and our negative ab term are going to cancel, and we're left with a squared minus b squared, and this is the difference of two squares. And in C, we have a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. And when we multiply this out, we get a cubed minus a squared b plus a b squared plus a squared b minus a b squared plus b cubed. And our negative a squared b term is going to cancel with the a squared b term, and we have a positive ab squared and a negative ab squared, and then we're left with a cubed plus b cubed, and this is our sum of two cubes. In 2, it wants us to perform the division. X cubed plus 8 divided by x plus 2. So if we did synthetic division, we would have a negative 2, and then our coefficients from the numerator, and we're going to have 1 for x cubed, 0 for x squared, 0 for x, and 8. And then we have, bring our 1 down, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2, 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. And 8 minus 8 is 0. So we have a remainder of 0. And now it wants us to use your answer to completely factor x cubed plus 8. And we could say that x cubed plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4. And then it asks, does this agree with the results from 1C if A is replaced with x and B is replaced by 2? So in 1C, we have a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. And then if we were to replace a with x, we would have x cubed plus, if we replace b by 2, we'd have 2 cubed. And this is equal to x plus 2 times a squared is x squared minus ab, which would be 2x, and b squared. And b is 2, so 2 squared is equal to 4, so plus 4. And you can see that our results are the same, so they do agree. In 3, it says, perform the division x cubed minus 27 divided by x minus 3. So we're going to set up our synthetic division again. We have 3, and then our coefficients of the numerator, 1, 0, 0, negative 27. And we carry down our 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. And 3 times 9 is 27. Negative 27 plus 27 is 0. So our remainder is 0. And then it says use your answer to completely factor x cubed minus 27. And we're going to have x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 9. And then it asks, does this agree with the results from 1a if a is replaced with x and b is replaced by 3? So in 1a, we had a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And now we want to replace a with x, so we're going to have x cubed minus, we want to replace b with 3, so we're going to have 3 cubed, and that's equal to x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus b squared, and b is 3, so b squared is 9, and you can see that we have agreement. So then they tell us the sum of two cubes is a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared, and the difference of two cubes is a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And we proved both of these throughout this module. And that's our video on the introduction to factoring a sum or difference of two cubes.